Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some things I purchased, some stuff that I won, some stuff I purchased from sales. And it's all going to be in one video. So I'm going to start out with Cheryl's Crafty World, and I will have all these channels linked in the description box below. Now, a couple weeks ago, and these have been on my desk, and I keep moving them, and I keep thinking, man, I got to get this video done. And I'm cleaning off my desk, and I thought, I'm going to show you. So ShirlsCraftyWorld had a sale a few weeks ago, and my granddaughter, Cecilia, graduated, and actually, these are her school colors. And I thought it was pretty cool. It's like a wristband. You can put your keys on here, and it's got like a little tassel, and it says 2022. And I haven't seen her yet to give it to her, so I'm glad. I told her she has to stop by because I have something for her, and she's like, okay. Because she got her car registered and insured this week, so she got her keys, so I can give her that. But also from Cheryl, or Charlene, I always screw up her name bad, and Mr. Bob, is this it says a free gift just for you. It's a little domino keychain with a fish on it. Isn't it cute? I thought it was adorable. So thank you. So that's one item. Okay. Now, we'll move this out of the way. Oh, and I love her little card. Isn't this cute? So, there's all her information, guys. So go check out her store. Oh, or email her. I know she has a store too. But I will definitely have her YouTube channel linked in the description box below. So, the next thing I purchased, well, I'm just grabbing, is KaTHie, which I will have as well linked in the description box below. Had a sale a few weeks ago, and I bought this journal. And this thing is so cool. I don't know if she added this on here, but it's so cool. I didn't care about the cover. When she showed this, I thought the paper was so cool. And look, it has this little like marker hanging out. So we're just going to open it to that. But look at this paper. All I can see is art journal. I don't know what type of paper this is, but it is so cool. It's pretty sturdy. It's got this like gold and silver in there. Can you guys see that? I just thought it was so cool. And I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Somebody, maybe if you guys know, you can tell me in the comments. But all I could see was her art journal and paint, and you know me. So I got that from her. Also, I got Happy Birthday America 4th of July stamps. This says, I got my magnifying glass out here. Oh, Jesus, dropping stuff over. Star Spangled Fun, Star Spangled Fun, Star Spangled Fun. And so I got that one, and then I got the stars. I also have another package coming for KaTHie, which is art books. I will share them by themselves. Okay, because that's coming mixed media, so it's kind of slow. You know how media mail is. Next item up is stuff that I bought from Nick's Crafty Corner on Toesocks Treasures channel, which I will have Nick's channel linked as well as Toesocks Treasures. And first thing up, I thought this was cool. It's a fish with legs. And I know it's tiny, but I'm going to stamp it out, and then I'm going to scan it and make it bigger. So I got that one. And then I got this polka dot one. And then, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I got, look at this cool castle. I loved it, the castle. And it is the Lichtstern Castle. The name Lichtstern translates as shiny stone. And then this little spot stamped on here is like the history of it. God, that's tiny writing. I can't read it. But I want to color that castle so bad. And then they had this one. I bought this because I do make cards. And there's like, just remember once you're over the hill, you you begin to pick up speed. To me, old age is always 10 years older than I am. Birthdays are nature's way of telling us to eat more cake. Happy birthday. Wish. May all your wishes come true. A true friend remembers your birthday, but not your age. And then a little stamp. I'm at an age when my back goes out more than I do. That's true. Youth is a gift of nature, but age is the work of art. Love that. Growing old is mandatory. Growing up is optional. Wrinkles shucked merely indicates where smiles have been. Mark Twain. Celebrate. Oh, they say who they feel is Diller. Oh, cool. Growing old is a mandatory. Okay, I did read that one. Celebrate. Okay. And in the end, it is not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Cool. It takes a long time to grow young. Pablo Picasso. Then some, sorry I missed your birthday. Little stamps. There is no cure for the common birthday. And then this one says, I don't know, I can't read it. Let's see if I can take it out and read it. The secret of staying young is to live honestly, eat slowly, lie about your age. Lucille Ball. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So that is them. And Eon, I want a giveaway. Also on that channel. And she sent me the monkey that says, thanks bunches. I'm bananas over you. Happy birthday. Ain't he cute? I love coloring, so that's perfect. So that's that. Okay. Now, to winning. Oh, okay. No, I'll do winning size. So, the other day on Crafts by Teresa, she's an enabler, big time. She was doing the paper dolls, and I thought she was using embossing powder. Nope, I found out she was using glaze. So and where did I put it? Hang on a second here. Oh, only one life creation. I have right here. Oh, dropping stuff all over. Only one life creations had glazes on sale. 6 for like, ooh, I could tell you, I have the receipt. I thought it was a good deal. The regular 36, and I got them for 27. And then I got a welcome to discount. So basically, I saved $2.70 because I haven't ordered for them in a while. So we have Salty Ocean, Lovely Blue, Picked Raspberry, awesome. It's like a red. We have Twisted Citron. It's a green. Canned Apple. Oh, this is more red than this. So this is like a pink. Look at, you could tell the difference. Oh yeah. So this is more a pink. We have a purple, which is Wilted Violet. And Wilted Honey. So that's cool. So I asked Teresa how she did it. She used a little paintbrush and some embossing ink. And I was like, oh, well, I realized I didn't have any. I have the pad, but not a refiller. So I ordered this on Amazon. I've been supposed to be here Saturday. As a matter of fact, it was supposed to be these here, and it wasn't tracking. It said redirected, blah, blah, blah. Well, UPS just showed up like 20 minutes ago. Rang the doorbell, handed me 2 packages, and I'm like, what the hell? So it was my embossing ink from Amazon by the little brown truck. So I got that as well. So now I'm set. So now after this video, I'm going to play. So I got them. Now, to winnings. Okay, KaTHie's World and Friends does bingo every Monday night at 7 Central. People are donating prizes. I won a few weeks ago. And I may have did this video. I don't remember. But I won a prize that was donated by Gail Fleming from Fav of 4. And this thing is so cool. Look at all this goodness on this, guys. The ribbon. It is so cool. I love this ribbon that has writing on. And there's 3 different colors. So we have a pink and a blue and then a clear. And then a tape measure's in here. Look at all this goodness. And it's got it on this ring. Okay. Like there. Look at this. Just loads and loads. There's that pink in there, like this type's in here. And then this one. And some pearls. And like this satin piece type. This vintage. It may not be vintage, but it looks vintage to me because of the color. There's that tape measure. There's this one. I mean, there's more. Every time I pull one out, I find another one. Look at them. And then there's this little flower one. And then like this. And then solid colors. Isn't that cool? Thank you for your donation, Gail. Awesome prize. And I think it looks just pretty to hang. Just like that somewhere in my craft room. I just think it's cool. Alright. Now, the next thing I won is from Erin Reed's channel, Erin Reed Makes. And I came across her, I was watching her for a few days, and then she had a giveaway. She was showing books. And I won, and I could pick the book I wanted. And it's called Get Messy Art. Who would know? Look at my name, Tina's Messy Crafty Life. So it just came by UPS. And I was like, what is this? When I opened, I didn't remember what it was. It's my book, so let's check it out. I haven't even opened this. I opened it out of the package, but I haven't looked through it, so let's check it out. Together. Get Messy Art. No, what's that say? No rules, no judgment, no pressure. Approach to making art. So we have the messy movement, the power of journal, the magic of habit, the anti-supply list, creating your messy journal. Sparks grow, connect. I love books because you can look through for inspiration how to be messy artists. I don't think I need any lesson there. The powers of journaling. It's a nice book. The magic of habit. What does a consistent art practice look like? The journals. And anti-supply list. Bound sketchbooks, found books. Start an art journal. So, what you may need. Swatching. So it's pretty cool. Making a custom junk journal. Pair the covers. A lot of this I know, but it's such a cool looking book. The trails. Sparks. Step by step. So it's pretty cool. Prompts. Grow. Grow as an artist by expanding your knowledge and skills. Okay. You say so. It's by different people. I just realized. Guest artist, Felicia Mayer. Well, that's kind of cool. Francis Nunes. Ooh, here we go. I love this book. I love just making, just creating. So this is kind of cool, guys. This is a nice book. I don't know how much this is retail. $24.99 US. I know it's on Amazon, so you're probably cheaper. You never know. Oh, look at that. See, I'd love to be able to do something like that. I probably could if I put my mind to it. I do got stencils I could probably do. So this is cool. Oh, look at that. Look at how that looks all together. I gotta find a spot and put all my journals. I think I have so many. I mean, doesn't that look cool? Sit it on a shelf. Boom, boom, boom. This is a cool book. So, thank you, Erin. So, I think I covered everybody. I got everything. Yep. Yep. So, go check out these wonderful ladies' channels. I would greatly appreciate it, and I know they would appreciate it too. Like I said, I will have all their channels linked in the description box below. May not be in order as my video, but they will be linked. I want to thank you guys for coming in, checking out these items that I won and purchased from different ladies as well as little stores. And I'm trying to think if that's all. Yep, that's all. And there'll be a video in the next few days from Curly and some more stuff I purchased from Nick's Crafty Corner as well. So I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Bye everybody, and have a good evening.